Hello, today we're going to talk about ebill and epay, two solutions that you can add on to your utility billing software. First of all, let's take a look at the utility billing, and I want to take a look at the record where you will track customers that have signed up to have their utility bill emailed. So I'm going to bring up a customer. And this would be one of your typical customers. When you have your customers register to get their bill emailed, you'll notice here where it says paper bill or it says e-bill. All of your customers that sign up on your website, the system will download to the database and it's going to actually check e-bill and store the email address. So it's an interactive process. So your staff is not going to have to manually update the records for the customers that sign up to get that service. Once they're signed up, the only difference is when you go through your normal billing process, you're going to go through and select and calculate just like normal. When you get down to printing bills, the system's going to know all of the customers that have signed up to get their bill emailed versus mailed. So you're not going to have to do anything special. As soon as you hit post, the system is going to automatically send an email to all of those customers that signed up to get that service. And once they get the email, I'm going to show you on the link that they'll click to be able to view their bill electronically. So I'm going to switch over here and bring up this screen. So it's going to take them to your portal. It'll have your organization's name. And I've already signed up, so when I come in, I can actually log in and view my bills. So I'm going to hit view and pay my bills. Now, I happen to be one of your customers that has two different accounts. So if you've got customers that have multiple properties, they can see all of their bills in one login. So I can see all of them. So if I want to look at this particular account, I'm going to be able to see all of the bills that I've emailed. So in this example, I've only got one that I've emailed, but if I've got 12, I can go back and look at all 12 bills. You can print the bill or you can just view the bill. So this is essentially what they would have gotten in the mail. So it's going to show them all the same charges so they know exactly what's due. And so, they can just look at their bill. We have a lot of customers that sign up to have their bill drafted, and those are perfect candidates to get their bill electronic because it's automatically drafted. So, but let's say in this example, I'm one of your customers and I want to pay that bill right now. So now we're kind of jumping over to epay. So if I hit pay balance now, because the bill was electronically sent, the balance is sitting there. Your customers are going to be able to use any credit card. Your organization will collect 100% of the amount due. So you get all of your money. It calculates a convenience fee, and the convenience fee is 3% plus 35 cents. But your customers have to accept it. So we're not going to let them go ahead and enter in their credit card information until they accept that fee. Now, you're going to have customers that maybe they didn't sign up to get their bill emailed, but they still want to pay it online electronically. When they log in, they're not going to be able to view their bill, but they can come to this menu option, and you can have, in your case, you'll probably have pay my utility bill. We've got customers that use other areas, but you can have just the one button. And the difference is this customer, they need to enter in their account number and the amount that they want to pay. I'm going to say it's $77, and it's going to calculate a convenience fee. So it's 3% plus 35 cents. So it makes that calculation, and once again, they have to accept it. Now, all payments that happen on your website are integrated to your existing software. So when you add our epay option, we're going to turn on a new menu option that says download and post payments. So you'll simply run this option probably daily, and it's going to grab any payments that have been made electronically, and it's going to post those payments to the customer's balance. So you're not having to key that in. Now, the next business day, you'll have a direct deposit that's going to equal that batch of payments. So it's an easy process. You get your money the next day. It'll be easy to reconcile. Now, one thing I forgot to point out, for customers that you are uploading to that website or emailing, you're charged 8 cents for each one of those customers, and support on that is $120 a year. So typically, if you get 10 customers to sign up, you've pretty much paid for that monthly that support for the year on that. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call, but hopefully this will answer your questions on ebill and epay. Thank you.